All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. Iceberg. Iceberg. So ice, let's have that. There we are. Iceberg. Oops. Yeah. Yeah, so a large piece of floating ice in the sea. So floating in the sea. Yeah, so look at that. This iceberg here. Oops, not that one. Yeah, iceberg. Yeah. How cool is that? Did you see the iceberg? Yes. Oops. Yes. Yes, I saw the iceberg. They saw it too. They thought it was not an iceberg. At first, it was too big. Yeah. Yeah. He knows a lot about icebergs, but she has never seen one. It looks very weird to her. How cool is that? So they, he, she, it is an iceberg, and they are quite common in this part of the sea. Yeah, how cool is that? So I have never seen an iceberg. Never seen an iceberg. It is quite rare to find it floating this far south. This far south. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So there are a lot of icebergs here. There aren't many icebergs in this part of the world. There aren't many icebergs in this part of the world. No? How cool is that? There used to be icebergs here. So those icebergs have drifted from far away, drifted, just slowly over time drifting from far away. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah. So we think that iceberg has been here for a while. Yeah. Those icebergs are just floating by. Yeah, leave them. Oops. Leave them. Leave them. Leave them. Those icebergs will just float. Yeah. Ignore them. Yeah. So will we see any icebergs in the ocean? Well, we might not see any icebergs, but the further north we go, or we sail, the more likely we are to see one. The further north we sail, the more likely we are to see an iceberg. Yeah, because it is cold. Because it is colder up north. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use iceberg in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram by searching English with Adrian. And you can find me by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.